Hello, everyone. Thanks for stopping by and your interest in Clixie Media. We're here today to talk about how to set up Clixie into Microsoft Teams as a first-time user. This is in order to be able to use Clixie as an embedded app to add powerful interactive features to your Microsoft Teams or meetings recordings after your meetings have concluded. So again, the assumption is today that you have become interested in adding Clixie to your Microsoft Teams application and want to sign up as a first-time user. So as you can see, we are in our Teams here in the general category. And what I'm going to do is I go to my apps button in the left lower corner here. I click on that. And as you can see, I now have the Clixie Media app available to me to be installed. I click on that. I can see all of the information about what Clixie is and the information that is going to be given to Clixie by Microsoft Teams. So I go ahead and click Add. And as I am set up to be a first-time user, it's going to ask me if I would like to sign up for a free account. And the answer is, of course. So I click on Sign Up here. And as you can see, now I have Clixie's interactive authoring and media tool available for me here in my Microsoft Teams application. So what I'd like to focus on is the section where it lists Microsoft Teams recordings. So let's assume that I have just recently finished up a meeting and I have recorded my meeting and I want to see the meeting recordings that are available to me that I can make interactive. So you notice that when I clicked here, I exposed the channels that I have access to and even showed one that I do not have access to. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the general category. And when I do that, what it's going to do is it's going to query the Clixie Media video repository to see if there's any new or updated stories that are available to be input or downloaded in from the Microsoft Teams application, either through SharePoint or Microsoft Azure. So you can also see that if I click here, it would do the same thing and go out and sync those recordings. But you'll know now that all of these are recordings that I have done that are available inside of this particular channel. So if I want to add any one of these recordings to Clixie to be made interactive, I click on the plus button. What that's going to do is that's going to index all of this information and make it available for authoring. Now, the purpose of this recording is not to show the benefits of using Clixie and how to author content to make it interactive, how to make chapters, tests, quizzes, all these other things. This is just to show how to get started with it. The other information about the value proposition and the trainings are also available in the next series of these videos. So for right now, let's just assume that I want to add this video. So I click on the plus button and it will ask me if I really want to add this to the organization. I do. So I go ahead and click on add. And what that will do is that will index this content and make it available immediately for authoring inside of here. So if I click on this little plus button, what that will do is that will start up the authoring process. So that I can add interactivity, I can include other media or other content. Again, please refer to the other videos to see all of the things that you can do. But what I'd like to do now is if I want to share this content to the other groups that are, or the other team members that are available in my team, I click on the Share to Microsoft Teams link from here. And what that will do is it will call up the name of the content. I can rename it anything that I'd like. And also, it's going to ask me where I would like to post that content to, only to areas that I obviously have permission to do so. So if I select this general channel, here is a preview of how that will look. I can even view it from this location, but I'm just going to go ahead and click on share. And when I do that, it's going to automatically post this, what we call a story. And a story is just interactive content. If I click on the Teams button, you can see now that I have posted this content successfully to this channel. From here, I could just go ahead and click on view. It will go ahead and in this case, it will open up another tab in the browser where this content can be viewed. All of the statistical information that is available on the folks that are watching this content is available with and from inside of Clixie's application. So if at any point in time I want to go back to Clixie, I click on the three dots here for the added apps. See that Clixie is added now as a new category. Select that again, and I go right back into my authoring. I can see all of the stories and other content that I have. And here's the things that we just created. And I'm able to, again, click on this at any time so that I can extract useful information, such as the people that have watched it, or I can edit and make changes to the content. So we hope that you've enjoyed this short video and that you've had as much ease and success as I have in adding this to your Microsoft Teams application. Please, again, take some time and watch the preceding videos that come in the series relating to the value proposition and authoring content. And we look forward to hearing your success stories. Thank you again.